Well, if you're eager to view HEIC files on your Android device, then you first need to convert HEIC to JPG on Android. Android apps and software like HEIC to JPG Converter for Android can be used to easily convert HEIC images to JPG on Android devices. Part 1. Top 5 apps to convert HEIC to JPG on Android. Number 1. Luma HEIC to JPG Converter. Luma is a very popular third-party HEIC to JPG conversion utility. You can find and download it directly from the Google Play Store. Number 2. Total Media Converter. Total Media Converter is another application that can convert HEIC file to JPG in Android. Not only JPG, it also allows you to convert images into other formats such as N and JPEG. Number 3. Cloud Convert. If you don't like downloading and installing third-party apps into your limited Android phone memory, not enough space on Android, then you might consider using Cloud Convert, a web app. Number 4. HEIC to JPG PG PDF Converter. HEIC to JPG PG PDF Converter is an effective application to convert HEIC to JPG on Android. It works with almost all operating systems, including Windows, Mac, Unix, Android, and iOS. Number 5. HEIC to JPG Converter Free. HEIC to JPG Converter Free is a completely free Android application. It's also very easy to use. You just need to run the app. Select your target HEIC image from the gallery and click the Convert button. Part 2. Convert HEIC to JPG for viewing pictures on Android with HEIC to JPG Converter. In order to bypass such problems, we especially recommend a powerful desktop. Mobikin HEIC to JPG Converter to convert HEIC file to JPG or PG or JEP, and then you can copy the converted images to your Android device. Follow the steps below to convert HEIC to JPG by using HEIC to JPG Converter. Step 1. Launch the software and add HEIC images. Step 2. Set output format. Step 3. Convert HEIC files to JPG.